All right, now I'm about to show you a renovated unit. You're gonna see a massive difference of what this deal's gonna look like. Ready? Let's go. All right, we just got to our 20 unit deal here in San Diego. Awesome location. The Mission Bay right behind me here. So we're gonna go walk this deal, give you an update on how things are coming along. So here it is behind me. Next phase is to get the exterior painted and turning this into something that's really going to stick out from the street. Go show you the inside right now too.
Yeah, just you mm-hmm. But this is I mean this is
so this is what a typical unit looks like.
Some storage here.
So this is like the same one we toured with the manager of the property, right?
All right, this is one of our current units here. You can see this wall in our next unit is actually going to be, you'll see how we got rid of that. And then you look over here, this big, beautiful window
You're gonna keep
with the
heat.
bay.
Is it up inside here with the radiant?
Yeah.
And the water right behind us. And
okay.
so this will be opened up right here.
The popcorn,
And you're going to see how this is going to be just a great Airbnb stay. Jeremy, what do you think?
Yes, we have two options. You can demo all this out.
All right, now I'm about to show you a renovated unit. You're going to see a massive difference of what this deal's going to look like. Ready? Let's go. So we took that wall out, opened this whole thing up. Beautiful. So quick update on the units now that we're out. We have 5 units that are now vacant that we are working on rehabbing. You just saw that one that's underway. So it's kind of our model. And then we have 4 more now that are vacant, and then we're gonna start getting those and get these up on Airbnb. Remember, our plan is not to do a long-term lease on this deal, but ultimately take advantage of the bay behind me and turn this into a beautiful Airbnb complex. So next time I do this video, this will be repainted. You'll see right here, we'll have the villager across this deal, and really still excited about this project. I mean, of course, some of the hangups right now are supply chain issues, getting material, owning deals. You kind of always reassessing. Bids came in, trying to put bids together to see what works in terms of keeping within our budget. So trying to just kind of nail out the kinks on this first one, so that we can start cranking on the other 15 over the next 6-7 months. So anyway, still really excited about this deal, and clearly we got a great asset.